Questions often student ask me, sir, do we if we follow the ASMR writing style, is it effective? Now it's a very big question mark, right? Is it effective or not? Right? So first of all, look what is ASMR stands for. A stands for right effective. It means that your way of writing should be emotive. It should have made it clear. It should be emotive, right? How it makes writer, how it makes your readers feel, how it makes the reader feel, right? Second, it should be sensitive, right? It should be like what, culturally sensitive when you're writing an essay or etc. So it should be culturally sensitive. You're not using any slang language or any other type of language that is culturally provoking. The third thing, it is the most important thing, it is what? It is the mechanics. What are the mechanics of writing, right? Whenever we are writing, for example, when we talk about a story, right? A story has different parts. Have you followed all the parts when we talk about an essay? So essay has what, introduction, paragraphs and a conclusion. So the how well you have followed the mechanics, and whether the last thing it whether it's rational when we talk about particular essay writing or etc, when we particular talking about real life examples. So whether it's rational or not, that is a big question. So when we talk about rationality, it depends on the perspective, it depends on again audience fragmentation, on what part we are studying and what part we are talking about. So now the big question lies whether it's effective or not. It is effective in most situations. Why it is effective? Because once you have followed the mechanics or the structure and you have made it culturally sensitive and it also provokes emotions, but it is rational as well. So it does fulfill the function of writing, right? It does fulfill the function of writing, which is not to impart what you have in mind but to add knowledge to the recipients, right? The main task is to add knowledge to the recipients. I hope you have understood this part. It is effective, so try to follow this when you are writing any sort of thing.